Hey guys, it's RC Marvel back with another video. Did a couple upgrades to the KRATON. I put hood release pins on here. Seemed like it's pretty good. So let me show you what I did. Okay, pop that open. Got these on there. And what you do is you line them back up. You hear them click in. And sometimes you gotta play around with the front and push down on it. So here you go, guys. Hood release pins on here. Seem like it's working pretty good. See? All right, and all you do is just press these, release the top, release that, and there you go. And to put this back on, you heard a click, and there you go. All right, guys, until the next video, I'm out. Peace.